Where na kayo? Deadline na ba yung 14?
Hello guys, I'm here on the spot. And where are you going? Where are you people? We need this film to finish because the deadline is coming. We had 2 days left. Gaya ni nila eh. Hapit na biya deadline. Kraming jud mi ani ba?
Daway na. Nasakay na ko. Unya ra na oy, taas pa bitang oras. Nice lagi ni siya.
Asa nakahato sila sa?
Sakaan yung mga jeep runay. Ako nalagyuhat ato nila ba?
Bangka ni din. Baning mata kuta eh. Wala naman ang nasiyaw sa... Kita na ba doon nagkaunan eh? Ako... Uy, nagpuan ng GC. Ano yun? Gana na daw sila dito. Ay, sorry na. Hunduin na to. Tabi sa tabi. Hunduin na ito. Bakit tawi?
Tyrell Smoochie Wallace. And let's not forget the tight ends, Ibrahim Moises and Hingle.
One eternity later.
The ancient Romans used it as a beauty cream and to treat burns. Even the Old Testament mentions butter. Abraham served it to angels. Back then, people made butter by shaking milk bags of animal skin or walnuts. Today, it's a product of modern technology.
3 hours later.
Coastal Carolina University. The Jasper Tobin Crux III. South Carolina State University. Leoz Maxwell Jr. East Carolina University. Javaris and Lamar. University of Middle Tennessee. Devoyne Shower Henry. University of Southern.
Gaya ni nila eh. Ako ra may gibuang ani nila. Dili man jud to sila mga riba. Puro naman to drawing. Aw, hinunsad. Kinsaram say way grado na to. Bahala ni sila eh. Uli na ako.
bang sabihin mo?